Hey guys, Richard here. I just wanted to share with you a video I made for our pandemic science live stream. If you go to mrincorvia.com, you'll find links to all of our live streams. I'm on at 1 o'clock every day, Monday through Friday. So masks not only protect you from other people and getting large amounts of the viral load, but they also protect other people from you. So, in order to demonstrate that, I am going to get a little help from my friend. Okay, so here we are outside. We are going to test how effective social distancing is. I have here a can of spray paint to simulate a cough. Right now we understand that coronavirus transmits by the little droplets of moisture that come out of our mouths, our nose, our lungs while we cough, while we talk, or while sometimes even when we breathe. So I've measured out 6 feet of social distance from my friend here, and I'm going to blast some spray paint and we're going to see if the 6 feet helps prevent any of it from catching him on the face. 6 feet. I can open the thing. All right. Okay. 6 feet. Cough, cough. Okay, there you go. So 6 feet. Nothing ended up on his face. So that is a good piece of evidence that social distancing helps. Okay, so that was a success. Now we're going to try the same thing again. I've measured out now 3 feet. What we know is that people, when they naturally stand in front of each other and speak, it's anywhere from 2.5 to 3 feet. They just kind of, human nature puts people about 2.5 to 3 feet apart. That's what we're comfortable with. So now we're going to see what that distance does in terms of being able to pass moisture droplets. Okay, here we go. Okay, well, as you can see, we have, maybe it's hard to see, but we have some orange tinting here on our guy. So the natural distance we speak probably is not as good as if we were 6 feet apart. Also, I will just say that I think I might have gotten more paint in my face than my friend here. So it goes to show you that being outside, the air really helps mix things up. If we were inside, I bet he would have caught a lot more on his face. Okay, this time we are going to use blue paint so that there's a little bit of contrast. And I am going to hold up one of Answer's masks. These are the masks that we give out to our visitors. I've just taped it to some sticks so that I can hold it better. and I'm going to blast. I'm going to pretend like our cough is behind a mask. So that way we can see how effective masks are at stopping little droplets from getting to our friend. Okay, test of mask. 3 feet to 2.5 feet. Cough, cough. Pretty good. Let's try 1 foot. Cough, cough. Let's try 1/2 foot. I'm getting all over me. Okay, here, let's try. Let's try like right in front. Let's get this again. So as you can see, it went everywhere except where it should not go. Okay, so we are here. I have a helper. What is your name?
Quinn.
Quinn, and where are we, Quinn?
The school.
We're at the school. Okay, and we are going to do a little demonstration of the second function of masks. So the first function is to protect other people from yourself. If you happen to be infected and you don't know it, then you want to make sure that the droplets from your lungs are not getting in other people's faces. But masks serve an important second function also, and that is they protect you from other people also. So we are learning that the coronavirus, like the amount of the virus load that you get when you become infected really plays a large part in how sick you get. So if you receive a large amount of the virus, then you get really sick. And if you receive a very tiny, small amount, maybe some tiny little part crept through your mouth, then you might not have any symptoms at all. So what do you have there?
Whipped cream.
So hold it up a little bit there. It's got some whipped cream. And what do you think the whipped cream represents?
The virus.
The virus, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some goggles, and I have my mask here. This is my answer issued mask. And Quinn is going to put some virus in my face, and we're going to see how well my face is protected from the virus, okay? Go for it. Okay, so for one, I can't feel any of the whipped cream. So let me take this off here. Take off my, okay? And as you can see, I'm pretty good. I'm going to change my masks here for test number 2. Okay. My second answer issued mask. So as you can see, none of the virus got onto my eye opening or my nose or my mouth, all right? So that's important. I'm gonna put on my mask again, fit it to my face. Now, sometimes you see people not doing a very good job of wearing their mask. Sometimes you see them with that below their nose like this, right? You've seen this? People wear this? Okay, let's see what happens when you wear your mask incorrectly. Okay, so this time I was less protected. Obviously, I'm not wearing any goggles, so my eyes could possibly be infected. But also my nose here has received a large amount of the whipped cream. So that would probably mean that I would get pretty sick. Okay? Now there is also a third possibility, which is that you see people walking around with no masks at all. So let's test that whole thing out also. Okay, no answer issued mask this time. We'll see. This is what happens when you walk around in public. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I have received a large amount of the coronavirus, and I'm probably going to be pretty sick because of this. Thank you for your help, Quinn.